Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's this video tutorial, I will tell you about the app icon missing or icon not showing in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34. So in this phone, if you're facing the issue the icons are missing or icons are not showing, I will show you how you can fix it. Before I start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch the video.